gyina no wo de toto ebre atwamu no a na kyese eyara ye koyanimu a ye gyina ye naso na so wohwemu a budget we in fact Dr. Atto Forson for Tosamfo one of the finance ministers here for this short period and among wetu any interventions here or they abba in the economic management, you know. Many are and because we are one of the fantastic finance ministers here in this era, no yenya ebebuai. So obeko ni say ya no one ensure say eno ma odi agu akwamu no saa na ebeko no a oman ni mu no ebe krabewe. In the next 3 years, because next a year, 2 months, when you January, you can say 3 years, just some 2 months be 1 month to be. I believe say or koswa yes anshe no etu sana mona ebebu me. Now Ghana inflation enra or the tuja is around 8%. Eche say said ye no ma bo kosoro ekosoro no abafem na ohwe other indicators no efa ye import cover so mai isika e won ye wo nyina no se bia bibi gipru ne yesi ye boye ho bra ebetimi ahwe yen akosisei ise yetimi akoyanim abosom 9 ne akire de about 4.5 months import cover na de yewo na wo hwehwe de aka no nyina ne taxes ahodo bia na yeninye ho ebi te se COVID-19 levy na yayi edi afri ho enra osini possible yi de afri ho enoma ahodo a wo ma hyehye wo de ba 2026 no a emu ede I mean particularly the big push no na all hammer on the Accra Kumasi sa kwantempo na yepese ye na itimi boa no enra mi hu video no na me kopehwe ebeboa yi pa we talking about or cast about 6 lanes na o hwese de uduru a ehia mu no a na efe ni nyina kire se oman no ye gina ye naso na enoma ekoyi say economy no as he said are stable ya recover na ye koyenim but one thing ne say Ghana we nya de foforo ye hu aban bia ba na ye sha se yesi no a eya na ye hu sa no me nti na me sha se me ka se obekoso a maintain saadi ya yehu idia ananhyehe ya omudi agu akwai mu no dia ebeboaye ti yekoye chi ne kai hwe inflation ho nsem a in fact 2017 na ohwe the beginning of 2017 you beginning with 13.3%. Ebrana na do danko akufu ado Ghana mampani baaye no o shase ye obeto IMF bewra mu program ni mu anti through the IMF program no from 13.3% no ye baya ema by the end of 2017 na inflation no swat we were running around 11.8%. 2018 year started na so asati binti ne boy ho modern pa na manfo ani age na nado danko akufu ado aya de na nado danko akufu ado yes menhia ne ebona baso about 10.3%. Year the year 2018 na eswasa tibim amia ba single digit, that's 9.4%. And in the first time one ye behu single digit ni ye ba na ebisa ye ho se ede na ya na akoka economic management no a ana nipa awoda no a ye toto o mai sikasam a ya na sa agi hum na ekono eno ne asembisa no ɛyɛ yɛtimi kura mu yie anaasɛ ho nsɛm te sɛn. And these are some of the things Sabri ayɛ anigyeɛ yɛbɔ yɛn nsɛm twa Atto Forson ayɛ adeɛ Atto is forcing. But my advice to Atto Forson ne sɛ strategies ya wodi agu akwa mu a ɛboa yɛn nei kɔso ayi mu dendenden ɛnyɛ sɛ bi ɛnɛ yɛnya bibi kakra anaasɛ yɛkɔ yɛnim kakra nti no yɛbɛsa kyerɛ yɛn ho na afei yɛn a yɛnnu mpɛmpɛnsoa ɛsɛ bi a yɛwi cake no yɛahyɛ ase yɛbɛtwitwa cake ayɛ parties ahodoɔ na ebi nso atwitwe bi agu wɔn bɔtɔm bɛwi aseɛ no na asagye hum. I've given you evidence. Set up to 2018 we experienced better inflation indicator, but agye hum yɛrɛ brada na adodan kɔ ekufu ado bɛkɔ. Yeah, we appreciate the impact of COVID-19 and all that, but before then we're performing. Ɛkyerɛ wo sɛ sɛ yɛanye yɛn toto yie ne yɛanhwɛ na ne yɛyɛ kura mu no yɛansomu saa nyɛ nhyehyɛ pa na mfa nkoyɛ anim a ɛbɛha dwene. And I like what you said in Parliament, and I quote you, also Mr. Speaker, we have learned a powerful truth. Physical discipline is the backbone of national progress. What's new? Mr. Speaker, we have learned a powerful truth that physical discipline is the backbone of national progress. Enti yesikasem a yebenya ahohyeso ewom sɛ yɛn ni sika basabasa yɛn fa sika no a yɛde bedi dwuma nwasa yɛsirim na de yɛsi yɛde yɛde ne pɛpɛpɛ ne yɛbɛhwɛ sɛ hu nkuntabuo bɛkɔ yie no wonum asɛm ne sɛ ɛdu ne nyina so pa ɛboa ɛma ɔman etimi tumpɔn. And you see ɛma when you bebre say enoma we ekoso, there are some appointees, there are some wow can auditor general's report say enam kwan mu ba enche na sika afa enkrofo ase ne no ma no nyina wu bie so e kire say yenya prudent financial management o man ni benya sika no but the benundie se ye de ye no enye saa. And I applaud you for strategies I would go akwa for the district assembly common fund no. Say your percentage bia ne de say ye would the be sanitation, ye would the be to say bia which che mu ma percentage for the omudi can be. And I applaud you for that. That's the best way to go. So because no maintaining this fiscal discipline. No abua His Excellency John Dramani Mahama na de yehuni enye figures ne keke. But we be focused on the strategies a man figures no ebe ya de say no a ebe bua ye. Now we are in IMF, still in IMF, and so we shouldn't jubilate too much. The real management, that's what I'm drawing your attention to. From 2026, Edeko, when the IMF ejayewo see yankasa yentutu yanamo a ehwo na yebehu the real skills any wisdom, any intelligence as a finance minister. Though you've done part, majority, why you there by him say IMF Shasia, Kakakra, you buy a Kufuado by 2017, 2018. Now, Omo boy MPP, I had the Kufuado say, IMF no Shasia could there. No, you made any Koswa, a free moon from 2019, they conwa, and who say, and woman Shasia said, a jigua. And after the COVID by and you share no so no crowd or no best bibia. But so bon who modern what you maintain. So that my words to you Atto Forson, honorable. Maintain that physical discipline no what ensure no. Na emwa economy no nkoso anye fese. Enye se betwa no befu ene de sika ba se se de enye sika ntino ebeye de ebeya da bi. Yenhwe ne yi because yehunu bi pen. The IMF will leave us. Na IMF fo no eja ye ho a ehon na ye be kire se ye ho den ana ye bre. And that is a test of time. It ye be stress sabre ekoi no. every and 2 3 years. Now there are areas here. I see when you say yesika die no yetimi nya sika o hwe projection about 2026 year. We are expecting about 268.1 billion Ghana cedis. And expenditure abibia yedi yesika bro de yenya is around 302 billion. Sika ya twese ye bedie no. Edo so chen de yesusu se ye benya no 2026. Tie no na kire wo sese ya hwe ye ne anyina ye nanso yi. Anya ho hyeso o sika semu a. Ye besa akoye dedem. All the indicators, all sectors are pointing positive. Jeff, bring it back for me.